Hello everyone, this is Neil and we have question 20 divided by 1 by 4 times 4. Many solve like this: 20 divided by 1 by 4 times 4, 4 times 1, 4 times 1, and 20 divided by 1, which equals to 20. But this is not the right way to solve. This is a wrong way. We will follow order of operation PEMDAS here. So we will rewrite our question 20 divided by 1 by 4 times 4. There are two operations with actually division and multiplication, and as we know, both have the same priority, and in that case we have to solve left to right. So first we have to solve this 20 divided by 2 divided by 1 by 4, and here we can see there is a fraction of 1 by 4, so we will use here the KCF. So we will keep 20 as it is. This division will be changed to multiplication, and 1 by 4 will become 4 and 4 by 1, and we will rewrite here times 4. Now you can simply write 20 times 4 times 4. Now 20 times 4, which equals to 80, times 4, and 80 times 4, which equals to what? 320. So here right answer is 320. And if you found this video informative, then like this video and subscribe our channel, and must check out these questions. These are also tricky one. Thanks for watching.